Are you looking for the best electric bike for delivery? Electric bikes have become increasingly popular among delivery riders for their efficiency, affordability, and eco-friendly design. With the rise of food delivery apps and courier services, choosing the right electric bike can make a significant difference in terms of performance, comfort, and reliability. To help consumers make an informed decision, we evaluated 5 product numbers. ZiZZO Campo 20-inch folding bike with 7-speed. The ZiZZO Campo is a compact and lightweight folding bike designed for urban commutes and delivery riders who value portability. With a 7-speed derailleur system, it offers flexibility for navigating different terrains, while the folding design makes it easy to store and transport. The resin folding pedals and magnetic frame catcher ensure the bike folds securely, and the adjustable stem and seat post cater to a wide range of riders. At just 28 pounds, it's one of the lightest options on the market. In terms of performance, the ZiZZO Campo excels in urban environments where space is a premium. Its rigid suspension and 20-inch wheels provide stability, but product number: Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike with 40 miles. Pebble, the Gotrax R1 is a folding electric bike designed for delivery riders who need both power and portability. Featuring a 48V battery and a peak motor output of 500 watts, it delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles in pedal assist mode. The large LCD display provides essential ride metrics, and the dual disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Its foldable design makes it easy to store or transport, while the integrated LED lights enhance visibility during night rides. The Gotrax R1 performs well in urban and suburban environments, offering product read Gotrax Dolphin 26-inch electric bike. The Gotrax Dolphin is a city-oriented electric bike with a larger 26-inch wheel size for improved stability and comfort. Powered by a 350-watt brushless motor, it offers a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 30 miles in pedal assist mode. The Shimano 7-speed system and front suspension enhance its versatility, while the adjustable seat and handlebar provide personalized comfort. Its removable battery enables convenient charging, and the bike is UL certified for safety. The Dolphin is a great option for riders seeking a balance of speed, range, and comfort. Product number: MotoTec Electric Trike 48V 500 watts. The MotoTec Electric Trike is a unique offering in this category, designed for riders who prioritize stability and carrying capacity. With a powerful 500-watt motor and a sturdy steel frame, it can handle heavy loads and offers a smooth ride. The trike design provides enhanced balance, making it ideal for delivery riders who need to carry bulky items. Its large size and weight, 100 pounds, limit portability, but make it a reliable choice for specific use cases. Performance-wise, the MotoTec Electric Trike excels in scenarios where stability and cargo capacity are crucial. The trike's robust construction ensures durability, but its weight and product 5. Schwinn Hybrid electric bike for adults. The Schwinn Hybrid electric bike is a versatile option designed for commuting and casual rides. Featuring a 250W HUD drive motor and a removable 360-watt battery, it offers a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. The 27.5-inch wheels and step-through aluminum frame ensure comfort and accessibility, while integrated LED lights and full fenders enhance practicality. The 7-speed trigger shifter provides smooth gear changes, making it suitable for various terrains. The Schwinn Hybrid is well suited for riders who value comfort and reliability. Its lightweight